like to speak about planning today, my dear teenager. Planning is very important. If you don't plan, you are bound to not succeed. Okay, there's a saying, it's very cliche, that if you don't plan, or failure to plan is planning to fail. But I want to speak what the Word of God says as well. It says in Proverbs 16 verse 3, commit your works unto the Lord, and your thoughts will be established. It also says in Luke chapter 14 verse 28, going downwards, that nobody who intends on building a house does so without first sitting down and counting the cost, because in the event that he does that, he lays a foundation and then he's unable to build, the people are going to look at him and scorn him and say, look at that man, he started building something that he was unable to finish. Again, Proverbs 21:5 says, the plans of the diligent, they lead to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes to poverty. My own favorite verse is Psalms 127:1. It says, unless the Lord builds a house, they labor in vain that build it. What is all this about? Question is, do you have a plan? What is your plan? Do you understand that you are not going to be teenage forever? Do you understand that after teenage comes adulthood? Do you understand the vast responsibility that comes with adulthood? This is when you plan it. This is when you commit your plan to the Lord. This is when you say, Lord, this is what I want to do with my adult life. And then he will show you step by step what to do, what not to do. And then you will work on his plan. Because if you don't have a plan, like the English people say, then your plan is to fail. But why am I telling you this? For no apparent reason.